Hello everyone, in this video I will show you about the new thing which is called one-on-one coaching. If you are watching this video first time and you don't know me who I am owner of moneymat.xyz, selling different kind of post-sale method and multiple thing. You can come and check it out. I hope you can hear my voice clearly. So let's start. So as you can understand this post or this video, this is called the one-on-one coaching. So for if you buy this coaching one-on-one, in this coaching I will help you to give my 8 to 10 year experience about the different online earning things. So let's start. I will show you about one thing. What I will teach you if you want to buy this online one-on-one coaching. Okay, first I will teach you AdSense earning from tool sites. Second, I will help you on YouTube Faceless channels, how you can create it easily. Third, I will teach you email marketing, how you can use this to make money from it. Fourth, I will teach you about how you can use GSA website contact properly to get leads. If you don't know what is GSA website contact, please go and watch the YouTube videos about it, how it will help many people to make $5,000 to $10,000 easily. Okay, another thing, I will help you and teach you how you can start your own AdSense account selling business and you make easy money from it. Okay, also in this course I will teach you about how you can use the free traffic circle so you can make money from it. 7, I will help you and teach you about the how you can do the affiliate marketing and make money from it. Okay, I will add the images. Sorry, my throat is not working properly. So in this post, in this video, I give you the link of my website where this sale post is there. So you just go there and you can check it out, my earnings and many more things. Okay, so this is simple. Many people are struggling buying multiple courses and method, but they don't earn single money. Okay, using this one-on-one coaching, it will help you to earn easily like $2,000 to 10,000. It's upon you how much you want. The price is only $500. If you think the price is so high, remember guys, people are selling single courses like this website. If you go on Motion Invest and you can check it out, what is the starter website people are selling $500 to $700. You can check AdSense account, people easily sell $200 to $300 they're making from just selling AdSense account, one single AdSense account. And I will teach you how you will create unlimited AdSense account, multiple AdSense account. You can create website which give you earning from it. I will help you on to creating your own YouTube Faceless channels, email marketing, leads, free traffic circle, affiliate marketing and many more. In this $500, I will help you for 14 days straight, 14 days training. Okay, I will provide this training and help you on this so you will make money. There is only one terms. Okay, the rule is you need to have a computer. Okay, if you have a mobile and you want to buy this, don't buy it. Okay, you need a computer for this. Okay, and if you have a computer, then you can start working on this thing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any kind of query, you can come and ask me. info@moneymat.xyz. I will add the earning info in the website post. You can come and check it out about my earnings. I already work last 8 to 10 years in the AdSense, affiliate marketing, email marketing and many more. I already sold 5,500 plus AdSense account in the last 8 to 10 years, and also sell websites, domain as well. Yeah, I also sell domain as well, websites, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, JVZoo work, or I already did that. So if you really want to make money, just buy this coaching and I will help you one on one. So you will get 100%. The time is 14 days daily. I will teach you for 2 hours. Remember guys, if you have any kind of problem, I will help you. Don't worry about this. But remember, just remember, you need to have a computer and you have need to knowledge about how things work, like what is domain, what is hosting, you need to know, what is YouTube, you need to know, email marketing, affiliate marketing, the difference between them, you need to know. Okay, I will help you on that. If you have any kind of query, you can ask me here, info@moneymet.xyz. I will help you on that. Really, this is the great chance for you. After the 10 submission of my client, after 10 clients come or 10 students, the price will be increased to $1,000. Remember, so hurry up. After 10 clients or after 10 students, I will increase the price. Also, I will help you how you can create your own school platform. Okay, you can create your own school platform and you can make recurring income. Okay, so it will help you on that as well. So I will help you on that as well. So just remember guys, this is the best thing right now for you. Just grab it right now because I have a penalty of time for 3 months. So just I decided to give one-on-one coaching. After that I will increase the price. After 10 clients I will increase the price. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you again, MoneyMet XYZ.